Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Before we get started, they need to get Starbucks. We need to introduce you guys before we start. Okay, we're about to start telling you guys about the products, but they're gonna say who they are first so you guys know.
Okay, so I look good. I am
Why are you so close to the cue?
Maya the Brat, but I go as Maya. And yeah, I'm Jamia. But y'all already have met me. I'm Jamia, the best girl. Thank you.
Okay, so this video is like everyday hygiene essentials. So we're all gonna be giving you like the products that we use. So
To show you guys what I use, Dove Shea Butter. It's really good for your skin. It's soft, and yeah, it just makes your skin very moisturized. And yeah, that's what I use. I use both. I use the soap bar and the what's the name? But you need to use this first to clean it.
What's that? So you do double cleansing.
Yes, double cleansing.
Do you recommend double cleansing?
Yes, I do, because I just feel like the bar, you know, gets under your skin. Yes, it preps you for this one. And it's not this specific one I use, but yeah.
For bar soap?
Oh, I use that
This is
too.
antibacterial.
Zest? Oh, Dial.
This is good for summer when you are sweaty. This will get all the dirt off.
Dial makes me sticky. I run through different type of, you know, soaps. I don't just stick to particular ones.
But right now I'm using that Dr. Bronner. It makes your butthole feel like peppermint.
I don't want my butthole to burn.
Oh, it doesn't burn. You know how like you chew gum? That's how it makes your body feel.
And then when you drink water all together.
No.
But I don't want my butthole to burn.
But it's antibacterial.
I see Shanae talk about. I see Shanae.
You see me talk about this?
Yes, I seen you talk about this on your page, but I don't really.
Yes, because it was popular and everyone was using it, but I don't use it no more.
Yeah, I don't use
Only one I
this.
liked was the was this one.
Yeah, I don't use none of this.
And I hate this
I
one.
don't
though.
even know what this is.
Hey, you need this.
Dry skin. Oh, I do have sensitive skin, so.
Me too. Very sensitive. At all.
Okay, now we move to the deodorant, and we're gonna show you guys our recommendations for deodorant.
Now, I recommend Dove deodorant. I don't recommend get the transparent one because the white one it leaves stuff, and you don't want stuff left.
I love Dove, you guys. Dove is my motto. Go Dove. or
Why?
go
They're
nothing.
not even that good.
I don't know what to say. It's not good for.
Dove is amazing.
For all their products?
Yes.
Well,
No.
I only use the deodorant and the soap.
The soap don't even get you clean.
Yes, they do.
Not that liquid stuff. No, it don't.
Oh, I don't know about the liquid, but I use regular deodorant. This deodorant right here.
No, if you use the white one.
Use the.
I use this spray for when I'm about to go to practice. I do a little 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, refillable deodorant.
But you'll still have to buy that.
Yeah, but where's the refill?
Right.
Where's the thing you put in it?
This.
You gotta use what?
You gotta probably use these.
You have to use the small one though. Where's the one you?
Where's
Is this?
the one that's made for it?
Maybe it's sold out.
But that's $15. Child, $15.
You keep.
$15 just to keep putting soap in the pack.
This is for y'all teens.
Yeah, who wants to
Let me
be smelling like
smell.
strawberries?
Somebody record me.
I love strawberries. I don't think you dirty.
What? This don't smell like
I love
nothing.
strawberries.
We got 51 minutes left.
This don't even smell like nothing.
You see?
Okay, let's.
It doesn't at all.
Your head is big. We'll be back with another clip.
Okay, now we are in the shaving section. Okay, what are your products you recommend for?
This is what me and my sister
Can y'all
use.
talk one
You don't use this.
Yes, I do sometimes.
I recommend this, y'all. It is a 10 out of 10. When I say a 10 out of 10, I mean a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I like that one, but I like the raspberry one.
Do you use it to shave the
You don't like the red one?
And I use
You don't have
I
to
use
use
these razors.
Those cheap razors.
I don't use those. I use like a 5-blade.
They're my arms.
Those are a little cheap looking. They
Not-
little,
Okay, but they work.
Like for my arms though. I use a spitzer.
I use a 5-blade, like a 4-over. I'm telling you. Y'all be using like 2 and under blades once.
But I like Nair for my legs.
No,
Nair don't work for me.
I don't like
Who cares if it stinks? You're gonna wash it off.
I
Okay,
like
so
this. It makes me gag.
and
There's one that's shea butter.
Oh, they use them.
I use this.
Oh, you use Big too?
Yeah.
I use those for my
First time I used Nair, it didn't work. I did not know you had to let the Nair sit on your legs.
So you just washed it right off?
Yes, and it did not work.
So then you never tried it again?
No, I never tried it again.
Why?
Cause
Nair gets every single bit off.
Why? You gotta make sure, bro.
Isn't Big a pencil brand?
See, y'all using pencil brands.
I use that for under my
What
arms.
shaving cream do you use?
I use.
Don't do that.
No, it's not over here right now.
I used Nair once and I did not like the smell. I was gagging, trying to use a
Scentless.
Specific.
Scentless.
Scentless.
What is that?
Oh, the scentless.
Where is? I don't even know. I can't find that.
I never seen it either. I just take it.
I've been trying to find something that.
I mean, would you not move?
Right, like toothpaste I like to use is Colgate. Let me get that. I recommend Colgate because it just tastes like mints, and I don't like bubblegum taste. Like I had some bubblegum taste what's the name toothpaste the other day, and I told my mama do not get that. Do not get that because it's just not good in your mouth. And I don't want to I don't want my mouth tasting or smelling like bubblegum early in the morning. 10 out of 10, must recommend. I actually hate Colgate, and I only like Crest, but these are the only.
No, we use Colgate.
These are the only brands that I like.
We have used
Because it makes my mouth feel fresh. Colgate, it just doesn't do it for me. And I only like gel toothpaste, not paste.
This is our toothpaste that we use.
We use Colgate, y'all. We use
How do you see it's paste? I cannot stand
It's
that.
like the baking soda peroxide one.
Yes, yes.
But I also use peroxide once I'm done brushing my
Yeah.
teeth with this. So yeah, it's like it doesn't taste weird. It
Girl,
tastes
does not
like
get
mint
close to that camera.
still. But yeah, this is what it looked like, y'all.
And then this is our mouthwash that we use. We use Listerine.
To be honest, I don't really care the brand of mouthwash. Like if it's good, it's good.
Yeah, mouthwash
I can use
is
from Dollar
mouthwash.
Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
The off-brand one. Mouthwash is mouthwash.
Listerine.
Here's is mine. Hold on. Listerine.
Yes, girl.
Yep, that's the best one. And I have a toothbrush. I
And
don't.
it's Star Wars. I know she a child.
That's what you use?
No,
Yep.
it's just a toothbrush. Braces, April 11th.
And I already have them.
Me too.
You don't even have the. Do you have the power chain?
Yeah.
That's the next.
I never got a power chain. I don't have any new mouthwash that I want to try because I'm probably going to keep getting this one like I always do. But there's some, I wanted to try these, so I think I'm going to try these. They're only $2.99.
Okay, so this is where I use my braces. The orthodontist, when I first got my braces, the orthodontist did recommend this. I got this from, and I saw it on TikTok as well. You just put it in between like the little brackets and wash it out. It's a floss. It's just water floss basically. It's really good actually. But sometimes it do stop working, but you just gotta use the good one.
It's not working.
Like,
It just depends on you.
Yeah.
So do you think this one's better?
The
The $69.99?
Well, I don't remember how much mine was because I had braces for almost 2 years now. I want to try this toothbrush right here.
For $50?
Yes,
But no, but this one you have to like replace and stuff.
Yeah,
I hate
right
stuff that you
here.
have to replace.
$18.
I want to try.
Oh yeah, I
this.
do want to try
Yeah,
that.
see, I recommend this one.
Haven't tried it before.
A lot of people
Heard it
say
was
it's
really
good.
good. Don't smell anything.
I want to try whitening strips, but you know, I have braces, so I can't yet.
Any of y'all try honey pop?
No, I haven't tried honey pop.
But
Honey Pop. I think I used Honey Pop for.
what are these?
Listen, I've been wanting to try underwear, but I'm like scared.
Oh, I got them. They're let me recommend them. Dude, those are.
I'm scared.
They are so good, y'all. I got them. I had
your
to.
pants?
I had to get I had white pants for track, and I didn't have any, you know. I didn't want anything to go through. So somebody recommended me these.
Look at you.
But I got mine from CVS, so it was like $20. This is a little pricey.
Wait, so this exact brand?
No, not this exact one. But they are really good. You could wear them for like a very long
Sit there
time.
down here. Oh, this is so cute. I wasn't done.
8 hours.
Wait, like, but do you wear like?
No, the first day I wore a pad with it because I didn't know if it was gonna, you know, bleed through. But the second day I was trying to test the water, because when I tested the water, baby, I was free balling.
Okay, now we're in the girly aisle.
Yes.
Let me show y'all this. This says August on it, my birthday.
This is what me and my sister use. We use. Yep. That's what we use.
This is the pads I use during the day. Sometimes they're a little bit thicker, but this one I use during the day. I use these during the night because when I'm sleeping, I don't want it to rise up.
Rise up?
Yes.
What does that mean?
I don't like when I'm laying down on my back. I don't want it to leak through the bed, if you know what I mean. So I like to use the very thick ones at night.
Yeah, those are thick.
And sometimes if I'm having like a little bad day, I use these ones. Kind of they're a little thick.
Me either. Okay, now we're gonna show products that we're wanting to try. This is what I use, by the way. Either any one of these. They're showing me a TikTok.
My part 8, of course. It was so funny. She barely had a part. Like, no, you need to try these.
She's really recommending the underwear.
Yeah,
she's an
I wanna
underwear
try the
advocate.
underwear.
Yes, I am.
I want to try.
Ooh, bamboo. I wonder if it's white or brown. Have you seen?
It's green.
Have you seen bamboo tissue?
Yeah.
It's brown. But one day I will try this.
Oh no, it's hard. I'm too scared.
Never ever.
No.
I'm gonna try my.
Because what if you accidentally go to sleep with it and that's your all?
You're supposed to be able to go to sleep with it.
No, that's gonna get stuck. I'm sorry.
It's not gonna. It can't move nowhere.
You don't know that.
Where can it go?
Just like how that girl didn't think that gum was gonna move nowhere, but it's all the way in her uterus. I mean, whatever.
Yeah, but it's not. It can't go inside your body though.
Her uterus. Oh, that please.
I'm scared to do honey pot because they be changing the ingredients now.
What is honey pot?
You're so behind.
No, like
It's to clean your coochie.
Oh yeah.
But this one time, then I lost it, and I never got to try it.
I got the off.
So we're just looking at a little bit of travel size stuff. Off brand.
Yeah, but it still works either way.
I recommend Vaseline to put on your face. I'm telling you, I should.
No, I use that for my lips.
You know, just say don't put it on your face because it's gonna clog your pores, but I still do it.
I don't put it on my face. When I did
put it
it,
on my
broke it
lips.
out.
And then I started. We used this one time. Y'all don't use this. It
Oh,
is
but y'all be
terrible.
talking.
I take apple cider vinegar.
Oh yeah,
What do you do?
apple cider vinegar.
Gummies? Where's the gummy?
I mean, like you usually can just find it in any store.
Yeah, I'm gonna find it.
I heard if you they say if you eat these, then you won't care about nothing. You won't care about what people talk about you.
I know the you get out the way. Ashwagandha.
I need this for work. Y'all be having me stressed out.
This is what I used every day. I didn't take mine today, but I used this.
My sister has these. My sister has these.
We use everything apple cider vinegar.
Okay, so how does it make you feel?
I just took one today, and I don't know what it does. I mean,
I
I
haven't
haven't
taken
taken
Why
it
do you
today.
use the teen one?
Because I'm a teen.
You're thick. So you need the adult one. I'm doing those. But I'm scared.
Why?
Look like somebody already stole some out of it.
Put these on, you guys.
Let me see. You can't be doing all that in Target.
You're right.
Look at her. This is Walmart energy.
Yes, girl, I love me some Walmart, but they need a Walmart like this.
Oh, we should have went to Walmart so we can act full.
Yes.
Is there a Walmart near here? Now this is like a random section. What's y'all's favorite tree hut? There was a watermelon one. Oh my god.
I love this one because it literally has those black specks in it.
The black specks.
Just like watermelon.
Oh my god, this smells so
Let me
good.
Let me camera, y'all. Let me see.
I love pineapple smells and vanilla.
Let me smell it.
What? Girl.
I don't know what brand I use. Man, what brand is vanilla? I mean, what brand did we get that time?
Oh, I have used this one, you guys. I've used this one right here.
They stink.
I've used this one.
I don't know.
Oh, and I use the cotton candy one. Those are the only two I've used.
Oh yeah,
Where's cotton
I
candy?
have the cotton candy one. That's the one I have. That's what I have.
Like Play-Doh. Say it again so your mom can hear.
Hey guys.
There's all different types. So yeah.
I don't like Burt's Bees because look at it. It doesn't even rub. It's so sticky. Y'all, I'm gonna need to try some eye patches. How much are these? Oh, $5 for 2 patches.
So every day, every night.
I haven't used it in a while, but I do use this, and I use something from Mary Kay because my aunt gets it. That works on my skin, and this and soap. I really want to try Curology.
Hello.
Y'all, I did not know they sold Curology in the store.
Are you still going?
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do the thing on my phone and scan it. And
Well, I said this one's not like personalized though, so maybe that's why. Oh, this is just remover and stuff.
They say hey.
I forgot about Proactive.
It's like it cleans out your pores. They look like this.
It's a little like pad.
Yeah.
All right, we're back here with another. Hold on. Boom.
Boom.
Yeah, so that transition.
So these are all the face masks I use. I use anything that's aloe vera because aloe vera works in my face. That's another thing I use in my face. Aloe vera, and then charcoal. This right here is good, y'all. Charcoal and aloe vera is the only two things I recommend if you have sensitive skin. And then you can get the aloe vera gel. It's like something, I don't know if they have it here.
Well, I use this. I don't know why it looked like that, but sorry. I use this right here. I use this.
One thing I want to try to make my hair curly, this right here. I've seen this on TikTok a lot, and a lot of people have recommended this a lot.
This right here.
You put it up.
Is this is Malini's rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening. Yeah, see, it's itchy up in there.
They belong at Walmart.
I don't. That's her. I want to try. No, I want to try.
I want to try it.
I don't even know how it works.
You just like
You squeeze it. Yeah, I want to try this so bad.
Especially on
I never heard about that.
Yes, I want to try this.
Oh, y'all look, they got me out. I did not think that would
She
happen.
just tried that.
That's what I just said. Yep, this is what I want to try. It is called Never Salty. A sugar-based scalp and hair scrub.
So what do you? Oh, exfoliating your.
Yeah, that's what I want to try. That.
I want to try this right here.
Yes.
Bonnet hair dryer.
Yes, that looks a very.
Oh, it's only $31.
Yep,
That probably means it's gonna break soon.
I believe.
Cute. I want to try a heating. Like a straightener.
I'm scared it's gonna
brush.
burn my hair off.
I really. This is what I want to try as well. Cause
One of those before.
I've been seeing
Did it work?
TikTok. It doesn't work.
Kind of, but
Here, I see this all over TikTok.
Yeah, I seen
I
it.
want to try this so bad.
This is cute.
I don't have any of our hair wash,
I've used this before.
but I want to try this. But I hear really bad things
I'm
about
telling you.
it, but I'm scared. We use Aussie shampoo and conditioner. I really like that.
Oh, we're weave. Why do I need to use that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
we
recommend, like, if you have, like,
these.
thick hair like mine,
Yes.
as you can see, I recommend, like, these big ones.
Yes, bro.
There's also another brand at the beauty supply store they don't have here. Like, it's, like, not like this, but it's, like, the regular one, but, like, thicker. I recommend that because, like, if y'all using this, say bye to your hair because your
You should
hair...
say goodbye.
to your
Yeah,
hair.
because it gets stuck. My hair gets stuck in
really
those
bad.
little ones so much.
It'll be bald head for 'em.
Have y'all tried any of these?
No,
What's a drying cap? Oh,
Oh, I might have to try that.
this don't even feel like a towel though.
Something like that. But
Like,
Look at this girl.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.